Alrighty, hey guys, Raz here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be looking at my new BMX bike I got. So basically, I got this new BMX bike. It's pretty nice. Hope you guys like it. It's a used bike. I forgot for like $100. Yeah. Anyways, this is my new BMX bike, and well, it's obviously used, but it's nice and it's a Haro. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna get on with some riding. With the tripod on the handlebars of the bike. So yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, now we're about to ride. So basically, I got this tripod that's bendable. It's you guys are on the bike handlebars. So yeah, let's do this. I have had the tripod for a long time now. So yeah, let's go. This is one of my favorite hills in my neighborhood. Let's go. It's fast!